All right, Dr. Boucher, this surge is happening right now at the Curley School, which serves students in kindergarten through 8th grade in Jamaica Plain. We do not know how many kids have been infected, but the principal announced today it does involve multiple grade levels and multiple classrooms over the last week. So, given what we know, which is limited, do you agree with the decision to move kids to remote learning at least for the next 10 days?
Yeah, so Ben, I can't second guess a decision that was made. I know the Boston Public Health Commission made this decision together with the school authorities. So we have to trust that that is the best decision. It's very unfortunate, as you point out.
Absolutely it is. So Dr. Boucher, when there is an outbreak like this at a school, should every student be getting tested, and should parents maybe consider staying home from work until they get a negative test?
Yeah, so this is a case where had they had Test and Stay fully up and running, this could have been avoided, and that's important to understand. I think now it's important for the parents and the students to follow the advice that they get from the public health authorities in terms of being tested and isolating or being under quarantine as per those recommendations. The decisions about staying home from work, again, I think if parents are vaccinated, they don't need to quarantine, but they may need to stay home to care for their children. So again, I would defer to the public health authorities for specific recommendations for specific parents and children.
Well, as you're well aware, Dr. Boucher, and as we've been reporting, the Pfizer vaccine is now available to kids as young as 5 years old, although that just started a couple of days ago. So how would this situation at the Curley School have been different if, let's say, this was unfolding a couple of months from now and everybody inside had a chance to be fully vaccinated?
I just want to highlight again, this could have been different if Test and Stay had been up and running, and I think that's important. And some of the press around this has mentioned that they're going to work to stand up the Test and Stay program, so that's important. We know then for vaccinated individuals that they don't need to quarantine, and certainly that layer of protection from vaccination is the best, and we can't get those kids vaccinated quickly enough.
And we just want to kind of clarify what Test and Stay is. The state's offering this among their testing umbrella in schools. If you are a close contact of a confirmed COVID case, that student can still come to school with the condition that they take a rapid test first thing in the morning. You get those results in 15, 20 minutes. And then if it's negative, that means that you frankly are not obviously symptomatic enough to be causing additional spread. And you can stay in school that day and go about, your classes.
Yeah, so it's
Absolutely.
so important to try to get that up and running so
Yes.
that can be the case. Meantime, we also want to ask before we let you go, do you have any special concerns about schools as the weather gets colder, families spending more time indoors? We know the holidays are coming up.
Well, in general, we have more concerns as the weather gets colder and drier and people come inside. So back to those basics, right? Get vaccinated, then add other layers of mitigation. If you're around unvaccinated individuals, think about masking, open windows, make sure you have good ventilation, wash your hands frequently, and do all the things that we know work to slow the spread of this virus.
All right, Dr. Helen Boucher with Tufts Medical Center. Dr. Boucher, thanks for your time as always. Good to see you.
Thank you.